Sometimes in life, we are dealt with circumstances we don't want to face. There are times for sadness, joy, laughter, but we don't know when life can change in the blink of an eye.
Thinking as I count these days. Tell me if I'm looking better. Just the other night I was playing with this Beretta. I've just been so fed up. My mama said I'm acting kinda different. It's probably all the shop been missing. I don't tell nobody cause I don't do any. Cause that's when all these catch you slipping. Hope I find the truth while I'm alive. Before I die, before I say goodbye, before they tell me all this shit's a lie. This really ain't my life. Taking out this notebook every day, writing down my feelings cause it makes me feel okay. Promised you I'd take you from that life you living now, but then we hit the ground. They say that they killers, they just cause we running down your villas. No, they probably looking, cause they know that I'm cooking. That's probably what they took in. I wish I told you all that's in my head. Instead, I lay you on this bed. Correct, I don't give a few expect. So put your pride to rest. I saw you pop that, now you moving so slow. Pull up on me, tell me you wanna go. It's 3 a.m. and you right. 6 a.m. and you telling me that you wanted some more. Okay, I'm getting older and I'm losing some friends. Thought they was mine, but they don't make no sense. When you find out what you from, be texting my phone. I like it better when you leave me alone.
Alright, back to my normal voice. As we are getting closer to ending this video, I just want to thank you all for coming to support Mark's family during these tough situations. Proud of you guys for coming together and being supportive. We're not just car friends. Cars brought us together as one big family. Anyways, I don't have anything else to say, but see you in the next one. Bye!